we got our track here. So I want to zoom in. So we're gonna hold Option and scroll to the right. Move our finger to the right on the mouse. I'm gonna highlight everything, and I'm gonna hit Command R because I want to repeat this just a few times, at least 16 bars, so that way I could show you where I place the air candy, how to make it, put some variation into your sound and into your beat and whatnot. So for this tempo, 16 bars is actually 16 bars. But when you counting out your bars and you trying to make a beat that fits with a person so they can rap on it, there's an intro, there's a verse, there's a hook, there's another verse. It could be a pre-chorus or bridge, and then a little outro. Usually it's like 12 bars. So when a BPM is on 72, something slow like this, your intro would be 4 bars. So that means your verse will start at bar number 5. And from here, you would count out 16 bars. And that would be your verse. So from here to here would be your 16 bar verse. This would be your intro. This would be a 16 bar verse. And this right here would be where your hook is at. Your hook is 8 bars. So we could delete this last one. So this last 8 bars here will be your hook. And you will want to transition your hook from the first 4 bars to the second 4 bars, so that way it could lead back into the verse when you put the verse right here. And I'll show you how we could, make a verse by taking some stuff out, putting some stuff in, things like that, and show you how to transition from, one section to the next.